Bank Nifty future trading at 37,100. So Bank Nifty 37,100. So this is same for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Global positive, global positive. Private bank, PSU bank, finance sector positive. Let's find out support resistance. Okay, so here look at this. 17,000 level is very important level. 17,000 level is very important level because at this strike price, call writer is very high, put writer also very strong. So this is very important plus psychological level. So today 13,700 is very important. So let's mention that. So today 13,700 is acting as a strong support and 37,500 is acting as a strong resistance. Now let's find out change in open interest. So this is change in open interest. Again, Bank Nifty put writer is little less than Nifty. Nifty have highest put writer added at 17,300, but Bank Nifty highest call writer added at 37,000. So that's why 37,000 level is very important. So close below 37,000, very good for short side trade. So you can check with hourly time frame. You can work with hourly time frame, or you can work with 15-minute time frame. So we need a close below 37,000, good for intraday as well. So bullish above, if you want to plan bullish trade, resistance is 37,500. So bullish above 37,500 and bearish above 37,000. Now let's check PCR as well. We have to check PCR as well for both expiry. 17,600 is very strong. Yes, Shantanu ji, that is very far, right? We have to work with closer level. So PCR, weekly expiry PCR 0.65 and monthly expiry PCR 0.90. So PCR also decreasing in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. Yesterday it was up, now it is decreasing. Market is bullish. Today market is bullish and PCR is falling. So that is clear sign of weakness in Bank Nifty. So these all are level for Bank Nifty. Okay. So today again expiry will happen between Bank Nifty expiry between 37,000 to 37,500. Clear? So again I will write these two options, but will follow stop loss, strictly stop loss, because today is expiry. Or you can do the adjustment as well. So let's say your level is shifting, you can apply the adjustment as per level. Fine. So these all are levels. So I will share this level on our Twitter channel, DTA, Derivative Trading Academy Twitter channel. I will share all this level. So those who want to take screenshot, answer is yes, they can take a screenshot. Fine. Fine. What about range between 37,200 to 37,500? That is very small range. Bank Nifty can easily break that range. Always work with higher range. So whenever you short some option, you have to work with higher range, not with closer range.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.